Well, look who's back from the dead. I mean, figuratively speaking, of course. We're not about to delve into the supernatural here. In all seriousness, I'm here with another channel update, and long story short, not long after the previous channel update, I had to deal with some real life stuff that zapped all of my energy and motivation, which meant I couldn't really create any videos. It happens to the best of us, but fear not, I'm ready to take on the web creation landscape once again. WordPress has changed quite a bit since my last tutorial series, and unfortunately those tutorials are about as relevant as a fax machine in 2023. Therefore, I do have plans to update the WordPress for Beginners tutorial series, so stay tuned. I'll also be reviewing and teaching other tools such as website builders like Wix, Weebly and Squarespace. Although I suspect if you're a long-time subscriber, you would have no trouble using those website builders. I might also be doing some juicy reviews on web hosting, themes and plugins. The ultimate goal of this channel is to empower all of you to start and improve your website creation journeys, and if you have any suggestions on what topics you'd like me to cover, make sure to drop them in the comments below. So there you have it, another channel update in the books. Until next time, keep calm and keep creating.